name is Lydia Harmon, and just the fact that I have come from making tutus to medical gowns. I own a professional costume company that makes tutus for ballet companies and individual dancers all over the world. And I teach in the fashion department at ASU and at Phoenix College. Another teacher in the fashion department reached out to a lot of people searching for fabrics to make the level 3 PPE medical gowns, and I just emailed her back and said, hey, I might be available really soon if you need a stitcher. Within the past 2.5 months that I've worked here, I started off as a stitcher with some intention of helping trace the FDA paperwork as well as quality control, but it's bloomed into a huge mushroom cloud of covering a lot of different positions, from helping to manage the construction floor, helping other construction sites with their FDA paperwork and quality control, as well as stitching from time to time as needed. I had no expectations at all. It's actually been kind of fun because I like wearing a lot of hats and staying super busy. It's a little stressful at times because it's so new. The business in general is just growing leaps and bounds by the day. So we're kind of constantly having to stay ahead and on top of everything. So it'll balance out though, and I'm kind of excited at how big it's gotten this fast.